left, I'm right-handed, I am flexing my hand and just pressing down lightly on top of this onion. And I'm gonna make a number of slits parallel to the counter. I'm not gonna go all the way to the root. I'm gonna let the root hang on to a little bit of this onion. And I'm gonna make them pretty small, or pretty like thin, I guess. So I made like 4 slits. If you wanted bigger cut onions, you can just do like 2 slits or whatever. And now I'm going to cut this way. Again, letting that root hold on to the onion. Sorry, letting the root hold everything together. And now I have 2 cuts, one this way and one this way. And now I'm going to kind of, using a claw hand, hold this onion together. My fingertips are curled under, so I'm not gonna cut them off. And I'm just gonna cut off the edge of the onion. And if little pieces fall off, don't worry about it too much. You can get them later. But in this way, we have nice, neat cut onion. Once you get to this end bit, we can kind of cut it up, but a lot of that's root, so we'll just throw that out. Yeah, so that's that. I just wanted to show you that. And after all this time, I really thought onions didn't bother me, but they still do.